Morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online math class. Yesterday, we have discussed about the decimal numbers, isn't it? Decimal numbers, decimal fractions and decimals all are same. Okay. Have you all drawn the place value chart of the decimal numbers? Have you all drawn the place value chart? Yes, you have drawn, isn't it? Okay. Now, let's discuss the place value chart here. As we have discussed earlier, a decimal number has two parts. Which are they? A decimal number has two parts. Which are they? Yes, whole number part and decimal part. Yesterday we have discussed, isn't it? A decimal number has two parts, whole number part and a decimal part. Whole number part is the part before the decimal point. The part before the decimal point is known as the whole number part. The part before the decimal point is known as the whole number part, and the part after the decimal point is known as the decimal part, and the part after the decimal point is known as the decimal part. Yesterday we have discussed this, isn't it? This is the decimal point, and the part before the decimal point is known as the whole number part, and the part after the decimal point is known as the decimal part. Okay, in this, the place value of the whole number part is the place value of the the place value of the whole number part is the same as the place value of the whole numbers. That means the usual numbers, the usual number system, the place value in the usual Indian number system. The place value of the whole number part is equivalent to the place value of the usual numbers. That means, which is the first place in the number system? Which is the first place in the number system? Yes, in the first place in the number system is ones place, isn't it? Ones place, and it is denoted by the symbol O. Ones place, and it is denoted by the symbol O. And which is the second place? Yes, the second place in the Indian place value system is tens place, 10, and it is denoted by the symbol T, isn't it? And third place is what? Third place is hundreds place. We all know this, isn't it? Third place is hundreds place, and it is denoted by the symbol H. And fourth place is, yes, fourth place is known as thousands place, and it is denoted by what? Yes, the symbol TH, etc. It goes on like this. This we all know, isn't it? We have learned this one. But what about the places after the decimal point? Which are the places after the decimal point? We haven't learned. We have no idea about it. We haven't learned the places after the decimal point. So here I am going to explain the places after the decimal point. Okay. The only thing is that for getting the places after the decimal point, we have to add one THS with the places of our usual numbers. We have to add one THS. That means ones place becomes ones place. Ones place becomes ones place. Tens place becomes tens place. Hundreds place becomes hundreds. Hundreds place becomes hundreds place, etc. We have to add THS with that of the usual place value system. With that of the usual place value system. That's one important thing. The another important thing is that very important, in the decimal place value system we don't have ones place. Yesterday I have explained with ones place we have to add TH, but we don't have ones place in the decimal place value system. We don't have ones place. There is no ones place. There is no ones place. This is very important. The first place after the decimal point is not ones place. It is tens place. There is no ones place. The first place after the decimal point is what? Yes, it is tens place. There is no ones place. The first place after the decimal point is what? Yes, it is tens place. Tens place means 1 by 10. What is 1 by 10? 0.1. Yesterday we have discussed, isn't it? Tens place means 1 by 10 or 0.1, and it is denoted by the symbol small letter t. Tens place is denoted by capital letter T, whereas tens place, TNTHS, tens place is denoted by the symbol small letter t. After tens place we have hundreds place. After tens place we have hundred. hundreds place. After tens place we have hundreds place. HUNDREDTHS, hundreds place. After tens place we have hundreds place. It is denoted by 1 by 100 and that is equal to 0.01 and it is denoted by the symbol small letter h. Denoted by the symbol small letter. So the second place after the decimal point is known as hundreds place and it is denoted by the symbol small letter h. Okay, and it goes on like this. So what would be the third place? Yes, third place after the decimal point is thousands place. Third place after the decimal point is thousands place, not thousand, thousands place. And what is thousand place means? 1 by 1000 and 1 by 1000 is equal to what? 0.001. 3 decimal places. Yesterday we have discussed in detail, isn't it? 0.001 and thousands place is denoted by the symbol TH, small letter TH. Understood? Thousands place is denoted by the symbol small letter TH, small letter TH. Okay, it goes on like this. So the very important fact is that the decimal place value system does not have place value system does not have ones place. There is no ones place in decimal place value system. This is very important. There is no ones place in decimal place value system. Okay, so let me explain what is the first place after the decimal point. Which is the first place? Which is the first place after the decimal point? Which is that? Yes, as we have discussed earlier, it is yes tens place. Tens place means 1 by 10 or 0.1, both are same, and it is denoted by the symbol small letter t. Next place after the tens place we have hundreds place. We have hundreds place, and what is meant by hundreds place? 1 by 100 and 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01 and the symbol for denoting hundreds place is what? Small letter h. Okay, it goes on like this. Have you understood? Have you understood the place value system? No need to write it again. Yesterday we have drawn this table well. This table has been drawn yesterday well. I think all of you have drawn it well. Have you drawn? Yes. Now let us discuss the place value of each of the digits in the following decimal number. I am going to give a decimal number and we are going to discuss each of place value of each of its digits. We are going to discuss the place value of each of its digits. Okay. Suppose the given number is 3764 or let us discuss a number having different digits. 3481.7652. Okay, which is the place value of this one? Place value of 1 is what? 1 is in which place? Ones place. This 1 is in ones place. So 1 into ones place. 1 into 1. Place value is 1. Isn't it? Which is the place value of 8? 8 is in which place? Here places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Isn't it? And here after the decimal point, which is the first place? Is it 1th place? No, it is 10th. Isn't it? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like that. It goes on like this. Thousands, 10,000s, like that. So 8 is in which place? Yes, 8 is in tens place. So its place value is 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Isn't it? And what is this? 4 is in which place? 4 is in yes hundreds place. So its place value is 4 into 100. That's equal to 400. And 3 is in which place? 3 is in let me mark it here. I have no space, that's why. 3 is in which place? 3 is in 3 is in thousands place and its place value is 3 into 1000. That's equal to 3000. Have you got? Okay, this we all know. This part we all know. Now let's discuss about the place values of the digits after the decimal point. Let's discuss about the place value of the digits after the decimal point. After the decimal point, which is the first digit? Yes, 7. And what is its place value? 7 is in which place? 7 is in tens place. Tens place. Tenth means what? Yes, 1 by 10. So 7 into 1 by 10 means 7 by 10. And the value is, what is 7 by 10? How many decimal places will be there in the answer? How many decimal places will be there in the answer here? Yes, only one decimal place. Where? Why? In 10, there is only 1 0. So in the answer, there will be only one decimal place. So answer is 0.7. The answer is 0.7, isn't it? The answer is 0.7. This is the place value of this 7. Now let's discuss the place value of 6. 6 is in which place? 6 is, the place value of 6 is equal to 6 into its place. 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. 6 is in hundreds place. Hundreds place means 1 by 100. 6 is in hundreds place means 1 by 100. 6 into 1 by 100 means 6 by 100. What is 6 by 100? What is the value of 6 by 100? How many decimal places will be there in the answer? In 6 by 100, how many decimal places will be there? Yes, 2 decimal places will be there in the answer. Why? Yes, in 100 there are 2 zeros. So in the answer there will be 2 decimal places. So only one digit is given, 6 is given. For the second place we have to put 1 0. So 0.06 is the answer. Instead of 0.06 we can write 0.06. This is the place value of the digit 6, isn't it? Now let's discuss the place value of 5. Now let's discuss the place value of 5. Place value of this 5. 5 is in which place? Yes, 5 is in thousands place. Small th. 5 is in thousands place. So its place value is 5 into thousands place means 1 by 1000. Isn't it? 5 into 1 by 1000 means 5 by 1000. 5 by 1000. So here in the answer, how many decimal places will be there? In the answer, how many decimal places will be there? How many decimal places will be there in the answer? Yes, there would be how much? 3 decimal places will be there. Why? In 1000 there are 3 zeros. 3 decimal places will be there in the answer. Why? Yes, in 1000 there are 3 zeros. But only one digit 5 is, we have been given only one digit. So actually 3 places should be there. For the other 2 places we have to put zeros. We have to put zeros, isn't it? Only one digit is with us, 5. Only one digit 5 is with us. For the rest of the 2 places, we have to put 0. So, what would be the answer? 0.005 is the answer. 0.005 can also be written as 0.005. Can also be written as 0.005. So, place value of this 5 is what? Yes, 0.005. Like this. What is the place value of last digit 2? What is the place value of last digit 2? What is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is in which place? Yeah, thousands place means 10,000 place is 2 means 2 by 10,000. So in the answer, how many decimal places would be there? 4 decimal places would be there, isn't it? Why? Yes, in 10,000 there are 4 zeros. So in the answer, 4 decimal places would be there. So the answer is on, but we have only one digit 2 with us. So for the rest of the 3 places, we have to put a 0. So the answer is 0.0002. This can also be written as 0.0002. This is the answer. Okay, understood? Okay, hope you understood the place value of a decimal number well. Now let's try to do the problems. Okay, write the place value of each of the digits in the following numbers. Write the question. Hope all have drawn the table well. Have you all drawn it well? You should draw. Okay, good. Write the place values of, or write the place value of, write the place value of, write the place value of each of the digits each of the digits. Write the place value of each of the digits in the following numbers. In the following, write the place value of each of the digits in the following numbers. In the following numbers. Okay. Write down A. The number is 3418.5. This is 0.5 to 0.5279. This is the given number. This is the given number. So let's try to find out the place values one by one. Okay. You please write. Continue. Since I have no space, I am doing like this. You can continue. Okay. Answer. Which is the given number? Yes. 3418.5279. Okay. Yes. Now let's try to answer. Let's start with this 8. What is the place value of 8? Yes, place value of 8 is 8 into 10, that's equal to 80, isn't it? Place value of 10 is 8 into 10. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Okay. Before this, mark the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is tens, hundreds, thousands, TTS, 10,000, small letters. Yes, place value of 1 is what? Okay. Let me do once again. You please don't draw it like this. Okay. Place value of 8 is 8 into 8 is in which place? 10th place. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Sorry, 8 is in 1st place, isn't it? Sorry, pardon me. 8 is in 1st place. Place value of 8 is 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Which is place value of this 1? 1 is in which place? 1 is in 10th place. So, 1 into 10 is equal to 10. 10 is the place value of the second one. Then we have the place value of 4. 4 is in which place? 4 is in 100th place. So its place value is 4 into 100 is equal to 400, isn't it? Okay, 10 is, sorry, this 8 is in 1st place, not 10th place. Okay, pardon me. Now we have 3. 3 is in which place? 3 is in 1000th place. So its place value is 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000. 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000. This we all know. Okay, now let's try to find out the place value of 5. 5 is in which place? 5 is in, yes, 5 is in which place? 5 is in 10th place. So 5 into 1 by 10, that's equal to 5 by 10, and the answer is 0.5. We have discussed earlier this, isn't it? Similar problems has been discussed earlier. Now, place value of 2. 2 is in which place? 100th place. That means 2 into 1 by 100. That's equal to 2 by 100. Isn't it? 2 by 100 means 0.02. Since I have no space, I am writing like this. You please write neatly. Okay, 0.02. 2 by 100 is equal to 0.02. Okay. Now, let me write it once again. Okay, 1 minute. 5 into 1 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10. That's equal to 0.5. 0.5. Next, 2 into 2 is in which place? 100th place. 2 is in 100th place. 2 into 1 by 100. That's equal to 2 by 100. That's equal to 2 by 100 means 0.02. Okay. Now we have 7. 7 is in which place? 7 is in thousands place, means 7 into 1 by 1000, isn't it? Is equal to 7 by 1000. You please write. I have no space, that's why not writing. 7 by 1000 means 0.007. Okay, and 9 is in 10,000 place. 9 into 1 by 10,000. 9 into 1 by 10,000 means 9 by 10,000. The answer is 0.0009. 9 by 10,000 means 0.0009. 0.0009. You please write properly. Due to the lack of space, I am doing like this. You should write properly. Okay, do this problem properly. Tomorrow we shall do more problems. Okay, the place value of first digit after the decimal point is 5 into 1 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10 equal to 0.5. Place value of second digit is equal to 2 into 1 by 100 is equal to 2 by 100 is equal to 0.02. That is 0.02. Please write properly. I have no space. 0.02. Okay. 0.02. The third digit is 0.02. I couldn't write here. Some problem again for this digiboard. Okay. Third digit is 7. 7 is in thousands place. So 7 into 1 by 1000 is equal to 7 by 1000. That's equal to that step I haven't written here, but you have to write. Okay, you have to write. 7 into 1 by 1000 is equal to 7 by 1000. That's equal to 0.007. The step 7 by 1000 I haven't written, but you please write. Okay, due to the lack of space I am doing like this. And the last digit 9 is in 10,000 place. 10,000, 3h is there. 10,000 place is equal to 9 into 1 by 10,000. 9 into 1 by 10,000 is equal to 9 by 10,000. I haven't written that step. Okay, due to the lack of space I haven't written that step. You have to write 9 by 10,000. That's equal to 0.0009. Okay, in 10,000 there are 4 zeros, so in the answer there should be 4 decimal places. So the answer of 9 by 10,000 is 0.0009. Okay, do this problem well. Tomorrow we shall discuss more problems. Learn the concept of place value of decimal numbers very well, thoroughly today itself. After doing this problem once neatly in your notebook, the same problem has to be done twice in your rough copy. After doing this problem twice in your rough copy, please send to my personal number. This is the homework. This is today's homework. Okay, I haven't written the steps. I have skipped some steps because of the lack of space, but you should write it properly and send it to my personal number today itself. This is the homework of this.